Hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. O anong oras nyo napanood ang ating video. Welcome sa ating channel, Matuto Dapat. Our lesson for today is about deferred annuities. And this is Engineer Eduardo Tapia, your professor of the subject. So let's define. Deferred annuity is a financial arrangement that enables people to build up money over time in anticipation of receiving a consistent flow of payments later, usually during retirement. One-time or periodic deposits can be used to fund it, and until withdrawals start, the money grows tax deferred. This kind of annuity is common option for retirement planning since it offers guaranteed income and may be set up to begin payments at a later time. Ito po ang formula natin to find the present value of the deferred annuity. You have A is equal to R, or the periodic payment, times the quantity of 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative n plus d divided by I minus 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative d over I. Okay? Ang A is the present value of annuity, T is time in years. Again, ang M natin ay compounding frequency per year. Ang N ay the total number of compounding periods. Ang I ay the compound interest rate, and that is R over M. Ang R ay nominal interest rate. And then we have D, the fictitious payment or the imaginary payment. Now, can imagine if we have this, makita natin na itong nandito sa ibabaw, okay, ito ay payment interval. Okay? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's the payment interval. Tapos, nakita natin na ang periodic payment ay nag-start at the end ng third interval. Okay? Pagkatapos ng third interval. So, ibig sabihin, mayroon tayong fictitious payment. Okay? So, dito, sa first interval, wala po itong bayad. Pero lalagyan po natin siya na tinatawag na fictitious payment or imaginary payment in this point. Okay? So in this case, mayroong dalawang interval na walang bayad pero lalagyan natin ng fictitious payment para makuha natin yung annuity, present annuity, mula dito papunta dito sa 0. Yung 0 is now. No? Okay? So, para maintindihan natin, gagamit tayo ng example. Number 1. Determine the present value of 10 semi-annually payments of 600 pesos where the first payment starts at the end of 2.5 years. If money is worth 4% compounded semi-annually. Ang given natin, ang R is 4% or 0.04. Okay, ang M natin ay 2 kasi semi-annually. Tapos ang ating periodic payment ay 600 pesos. Time is 5 years. Ang D natin, mayroon tayong apat na payment, okay, kasi 2.5 years siya ka lang sa mag-start. So, ibig sabihin 2 years and 6 months. So, yung 2 years na apat na semi-annually o apat na 6 months, so fictitious po yon. Tapos, ang I natin ay 0.02. So, ang N natin ay 10. Okay? So, to solve for the present value, this is our formula. A equals R, okay, the quantity of 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative n plus d divided by I minus 1 minus plus 1 plus I raised to negative d raised over I. Okay, and then substitute now the value. Now, tapos isosolve natin to, ito muna. Okay, tapos ito. Okay? So, using the calculator, solve natin to. And that is, yan, 600. Ito, 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 0.02 raised to negative 10 plus 14 plus 4 is negative 14, no? So, magiging over 0. So, ang sagot niyan ay 12.106249 minus, ito naman, kapag isolve natin to, ito naman ang kanyang kalabasan. So, ngayon, ima-minus natin yan. So that is now 600 times 8.2985203. Okay, so pag i-minus natin, multiply by 600, ang ating A ay 4,979.11 pesos. So that is now the present value of annuity, no? So kapag deferred. Okay? Example number 2. The loan borrower agreed to pay his debt every month for 3 years, where the first payment starts at the end of 4 months, with an interest rate of 6% compounded monthly. How much is the monthly payment if the loan amount is 100,000 pesos? Ang given natin, ang R natin ay 6% or 0.06. Ang M natin ay 12 since compounded monthly. And ang R ang ating hinahanap. Ang time ay 3 years. Okay? Ang D natin ay 3. Bakit 3? Kasi mag-start siya ng bayad at the end of 4 months. So yung 3 buwan, wala pang bayad yon. So kaya mayroong imaginary time, mayroon tayong fictitious payment na 3. So ang D natin ay 3. I natin ay 0.05, N natin ay 36. Kasi 3 years ito. So that is 3 times 12. Okay, 36. So solution to find for the periodic payment. Okay, so again, we have now the formula. Ang ating formula ganun pa rin. Tapos, substitute now the value. So ang A natin ay 100,000. Tapos sa kabila, ito naman, no? Again, i-solve natin to. So bakit naging 39 ito dito? Kasi N plus D, and that is 36 plus 3. Kaya nagiging 39 na ito, no? Tapos ito, ang D natin ay 3. So kapag i-solve natin to using the calculator, we come up 35.3089. Okay, minus, ito naman, so 1 minus 1.005 raised to negative 3 over 0.005. So ito naman sagot niya. Okay? So kapag i-minus natin yan, this is now the answer. Tapos times R. Then divide both sides by 32.382841. So you have R equals 100,000 divided by 32.382841. So ang R natin ay 3,088.06. So ang kanyang monthly installment ay 3,088.06 pesos. Okay, so this is your activity. So number 1, what is the present value of 6,000 pesos payable every end of 3 months for 5 years? If interest rate is 8% compounded quarterly and the first payment start at the end of 2 years. Number 2, if the interest rate is 6% compounded monthly, how much is the present value of annuity of 5,500 pesos payable at the end of each month for 15 years, where the first payment starts at the end of 4 months. Number 3, the loan borrower agreed to pay his debt every month for 4 years, where the first payment starts at the end of 6 months with an interest rate of 9% compounded monthly. How much is the monthly payment if the loan amount is 150,000 pesos? The car worth 750,000 pesos was dealt with for installment basis. A buyer agreed to pay 200,000 pesos down payment at and the remaining is installment every month for 5 years, where the first payment starts at the end of 2 months with an interest rate of 12% compounded monthly. How much is the monthly payment? Okay, so I hope you learned from this video lesson, and thank you very much for watching and keep learning. God bless.